burning up like fever. Better days, and not so far away.
Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Ideal Protein apple flavored oatmeal. The oatmeal comes 7 in a box and the package looks like this. They look like traditional Quaker Oats packs, except they're in a foil. I like to make my oatmeal pretty soupy, so I add more boiling water than directed on the package. I also add cinnamon for the extra flavor. It mixes really well and all the clumps dissolve just by stirring. This is the consistency of the oatmeal, and since I like oatmeal, I really like this Ideal Protein meal for breakfast. I would rate this 5 out of 5 and I would definitely buy it again. For more reviews, click the subscribe button and ring that bell for notifications every time I post. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!